Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate security device on HSBC bank, right? So I'm just going to show you. First of all, you have to open this HSBC mobile banking application, or you can also view it over your desktop, right? So it's very easy. Let's go to Google here, and here you have to just type here HSBC banking and just hit the enter, and you will be redirected here. This is basically online banking and the personal banking, basically both the same. Now here you have to log in into your account. So just you have to log in to generate a security code for login into your account. Now you have to enter your 6-digit pin from the HSBC mobile banking app or biometrics authentication, or if you have this which is called this physical device, you can use this. So first of all, you have to, from the welcome screen, is turn on and unlock, press the hold 8 from 2 seconds to enter the change pin function. Now the step 2 is customer enter the new pin using keypad, and step 3 is press here to complete the first pin entry, and customers confirm the new pin by re-entering it. The icon new pin CO and F are displayed for 2 seconds, and if the pin is successfully matched between the two input screen, otherwise message fail pin is shown, right? So this is very important, and you can just go here, and this is how you can do it. And once you have entered this 6-digit security code displayed in the application or the website, after that you will be logged into this. So it's very easy. The digital secure key in the mobile application or the website or this physical device is convenient replacement, you can say, for the physical security device, providing enhanced security and access to a full range of banking facility and services. And if you need any help, you can always contact this HSBC. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.